during this curtain raiser of the Lassi Shakti program, what's the role of the auto logistics? How it is moving ahead? Where do you see down the line 5 years the auto logistics in India?
Look, the automobiles manufacturing, probably we are somewhere at around 4 lakh units a month, which is about 50 lakh units a year.
Okay.
Only in cars, and then there is the LCVs, the heavy commercial vehicles. And now the very important thing would be, in the future, would be defense vehicles. Because I think so that is going to be a very key industry to look at. And all these equipment, cars, trucks have to be moved from one place to the other as the requirement and the demand is growing, especially after the GST. We see a possibility of things doubling by 2030. Apart from trucks, railways would be used in a very big way. It is still being used in a very big way. Then the multimodal way of doing things, probably even waterways would be one of the futures, how you could use the thing. And then we would require a lot of stockyards so that we can keep cars closer to the customer. And I think so, the way forward, I think so, there's a lot of hope in the automobile industry. It provides a lot of employment, and hopefully, if the war doesn't affect us much, and
we also
I hope, and I think the automobile industry has the foot on the gas.
One small add-on question from my side, sir. See, you said the waterways. So, how do you see the waterways development in India?
Look, I think so. If the government can do proper drenching and all those things on the things, the cars have moved from Banaras to Calcutta on waterway.
Okay.
So there is a precedent to it, and probably if you can have the rivers and you can channelize those rivers properly with proper drenching and all, I think the waterways could also play an important